Imagine this, the sun has already disappeared, not exploded, not dimmed, not slowly fading away, just gone. And you don't know it yet. Right now, everything feels normal. The sky still holds its color, the air still carries warmth, light still reflects from windows, oceans, rooftops, because sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. Which means for 8 quiet minutes, the world continues as if nothing has changed. You are living inside those final 8 minutes. The ending has already happened, but the news has not arrived. Take a slow breath. This is minute 1. Far away, 8 light minutes from here, there is no sun, no burning surface, no solar flares, no glowing sphere of plasma, just absence, but the last light it ever produced is still traveling. It is crossing space right now, racing toward Earth at 186,000 miles per second. And until the final particle of light arrives, we remain unaware. Birds glide through the air, clouds drift, waves roll toward shore. The illusion continues, minute 2. Imagine standing outside, you look up, the sun is still there, bright. Familiar, steady, but what you are seeing is not the present, it is the past. The sun you see is already gone, you are watching a memory. And when that memory finishes, darkness will not gradually fall like evening, it will arrive instantly. As if someone flipped a cosmic switch, minute 3, there would be no warning glow, no dramatic color shift. No sense of dimming, just 1 second of normal daylight, and then absence. Stars would appear immediately, even at noon. The sky would transform from blue to black in a heartbeat. Not because night has come, but because the source of all day is no longer there. And for a few long seconds, humanity would simply stare upward, trying to understand. Minute 4, here is something even stranger. Gravity travels at the speed of light too, which means Earth is still orbiting a sun that no longer exists. We are still being pulled by something that is gone. For 8 minutes, our planet continues its curve around emptiness. Then, when that final gravitational signal arrives, the curve stops. Earth releases from its orbit and begins moving in a straight line, quietly, silently, drifting into deep space. No violent jolt, no explosion. Just a subtle change in direction, and we would not feel it at all. Minute 5. Now imagine the exact moment. The final photon reaches Earth. The very last ray of sunlight touches the atmosphere. It scatters, it reflects, it lands somewhere on the surface, and then there is nothing left behind it. The sun vanishes from the sky instantly. Stars fill the darkness, planets become visible. The moon shines brighter than ever before. For a brief moment, the universe reveals itself in full clarity, beautiful, terrifying. Infinite. Minute 6, but Earth does not freeze immediately. The oceans hold enormous amounts of heat. The atmosphere traps warmth close to the surface. For hours, even days, the temperature drops slowly. The sky is black, but the air is still breathable. It would feel like standing in permanent twilight, an endless midnight, strange but not yet deadly. Cities would glow brighter than ever before. Artificial lights replacing sunlight, humanity trying to push back the dark. Minute 7. Within a week, temperatures begin falling rapidly. Plants stop photosynthesis. Food systems begin to fail. Solar panels produce nothing. The cold creeps in gradually, but still not instantly fatal. The oceans release their stored warmth. Steam rises in places. Clouds still form. Weather still moves, but without new energy from the sun, everything slowly winds down, like a clock losing power. Minute 8. Now Earth is drifting, no longer bound to a star. Traveling silently through space at its former orbital speed, about 67,000 miles per hour, but without a destination, just momentum. If you could stand far away and watch, you would see a small blue world becoming darker. Colder, still beautiful, still turning, still carrying oceans and mountains and cities, but heading into interstellar night. Minute 9. After 1 month, average temperatures fall below freezing everywhere. Oceans begin forming thick ice at the surface. but deep below, water remains liquid because Earth is still warm inside. Radioactive elements in the core continue to release heat. Geothermal vents glow on the ocean floor. Life near those vents survives, tiny creatures, blind shrimp, bacteria feeding on minerals, unaware that the sun has disappeared, unaware that anything has changed at all. Minute 10, here is something most people never consider. It would take years for Earth to fully freeze. Years. The oceans are deep, over 2 miles in many places. The surface would freeze first, then thicker layers would build slowly. But beneath kilometers of ice, liquid water could persist for a very long time. And during those years, the night sky would be breathtaking. Without sunlight scattering in the atmosphere, the stars would appear sharper, brighter. The Milky Way stretching clearly from horizon to horizon. Every night would reveal the full structure of the galaxy. Humanity would see the universe more clearly than ever before, right before disappearing from it. Minute 11. After 1 year, surface temperatures approach negative 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The oceans are sealed under massive ice sheets. The continents are silent and frozen. The atmosphere begins thinning as gases condense. The air itself slowly turns to frost. Oxygen, snow, nitrogen, snow. Falling gently to the ground, the sky remains permanently black. No sunrise, no sunset, just stars, endless stars. Minute 12, Earth is now a rogue planet, a wandering world, no longer orbiting a star, just drifting between them, and this is not science fiction. Astronomers believe there are billions of rogue planets in our galaxy. Cold, dark, unseen, floating alone through interstellar space. If the sun disappeared, we would become one of them. Another silent traveler in the vast ocean of the Milky Way. Minute 13. Over thousands of years, even the deepest oceans freeze solid. The planet becomes a sphere of ice and rock, still spinning, still orbiting the center of the galaxy. Carrying the memory of forests, of oceans, of cities, every mountain still stands, every ocean basin still exists, every human structure preserved in frozen stillness. A time capsule planet, locked in eternal night. Minute 14, and yet, even then, Earth continues. It does not shatter, it does not collapse. It simply travels. Perhaps one day, millions of years from now, it passes near another star. If gravity captures it, if the angle is just right, Earth could orbit again. Ice could melt, oceans could return. Life, if anything remains deep below, might awaken. It is unlikely, but not impossible. The universe is patient, and vast distances allow rare things to happen. Minute 15, for now, none of this has happened. The sun still burns, light still travels those 8 minutes. Warmth still reaches your skin. But every time you look up at the sky, remember something quiet and true. You never see the present sun, only its past. You live on delayed light. Everything in the universe arrives as history. The stars you see tonight may already be gone, and yet their light continues, crossing unimaginable distances just to reach your eyes. So as you drift towards sleep, imagine Earth floating peacefully through space, not in fear but in stillness, a quiet world under infinite stars, light traveling, silently. Endlessly, always 8 minutes behind, and for now, still arriving. Good night.